In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles, captions, in Adobe Express. If you want your videos to be easier to follow, more accessible, and ready for viewers who watch with the sound off, captions are the perfect addition. We'll walk through the full process, from opening Adobe Express to styling your captions so they look clean and professional. And I'll share helpful tips along the way. Start by opening Adobe Express in your web browser or launching the Adobe Express app on your device. Once you're on the home page, look for the video section, then go to Video Quick Actions. This is where Adobe gathers handy tools for fast editing tasks. From there, choose Caption Video. If you already know where the Add Caption tool lives, you can jump straight to it. Next, upload your video file. Adobe Express supports clips up to 5 minutes long and up to 1 gigabyte in size. Shorter videos will process faster, so if you're testing things out, try with a brief clip first. For best results, use a file with clear audio and minimal background noise. The cleaner the sound, the more accurate your captions will be. Before the tool gets to work, select the language spoken in your video. Picking the correct language is important, because Adobe's online caption generator uses this choice to interpret the audio. If your speaker has an accent, choose the closest matching language option to help the system understand words more accurately. Adobe Express will then auto-generate captions from your audio. Let it process, and you'll see the text appear aligned to your video. This is where you review and refine. Play through and edit the caption text to fix any mistakes, correct names, dates, numbers, or specialized terms, and add punctuation to improve readability. Small edits make a big difference in comprehension. If a line feels too long, break it into shorter phrases so viewers can read comfortably without losing the flow of the video. When the words are accurate, choose your caption style. Adjust the font to match your brand or the tone of the video. Pick a color that contrasts well with your footage, and select a text shape that improves legibility. A subtle background or shape behind the text can keep captions readable over busy scenes. Test a few combinations and preview your results to see what looks best across different parts of the video. That's it. With your language set, text cleaned up, and style dialed in, your video now has clear, polished captions ready for your audience.